This is the book of Psalm 66, and I'll begin by reading this. Verse 4. It says, all of the earth shall worship thee, and shall sign unto thee, and they shall sing to thy name, Salah. This is the point of verse 5. Come and see the works of the Most High, and he is terrible in his doings towards the children of men. And what I want to also show you is something that happened in Japan. You had a storm which affected 9 million people to evacuate, as the article says. 9 million people told to evacuate as a super typhoon Nanmadol hits. So it reads, the super typhoon Nanmadol has killed 2 people and injured almost 90. It hit Kyushu, the southernmost of Japan's four main islands, on Sunday morning, and is set to reach Honshu, the largest island, in the coming days. Tens of thousands of people spent Sunday night in emergency shelters, and almost 250,000 homes are without power. Transport and business has been disrupted, and the country is braced for extensive flooding and landslides. Nanmadol has brought gusts up to 234 kilometers an hour, 145 miles an hour, in some areas where forecast 400 millimeters, 16 inches of rain in 24 hours. The bullet train service, ferries, and hundreds of flights have been canceled, and many shops and other businesses have closed, and sandbags have been put in place to protect some properties. The typhoon made landfall near the city of Kagoshima on the southern tip of Japan's most southerly island, Kyushu, on Sunday morning. A river in Kyushu, or Kyushu, if I'm saying it correctly, has burst its banks. The state broadcaster NHK said one man was killed when his car was submerged in flooding. Damn. And another died after being buried in a landslide. One more person remains missing, and 87 have been injured. Local video footage shows roof ripped off the building and billboards toppled over. So the Lord, as you can already see, just by those articles that I've been reading, man, as of lately, the Lord has been getting down out here and visiting these people. All right. And just to really be honest here, I mean, people get what they deserve, because like I've said, and I'll say it again in the last part of the video, people are up to no good for the most part, now than never before nowadays. So people kind of get what they deserve, being that we're in a mostly wicked times, and it's just waxing worse. So we're seeing little and little storms and other events which is terrifying to the eyes of men happen in front of men. And this is just to remind the men of the Lord that the Lord is in the midst. And I just want to read the book of Psalms 46 once again in verse 7. It says that the Lord of hosts is with us. In other words, the Lord of angels is with us. And the Most High of Jacob is our refuge, Salah. Come and behold the works of the Lord, and what desolations he hath made in the earth. So the Lord is all around, involved in these desolations that we see out here. All right. And the Lord is nearer than when we think he is. The Lord is more in the midst. And this is to let the prophets know that when we see these different current events happen among the people, whether it's events like these or other events, which is devastational as well. All right. So I want to continue to read some more of this. So it reads, the storm is forecast to turn east and pass over Japan's main island of Honshu before moving out to sea by Wednesday, and the capital, Tokyo, has experienced heavy rain with the 2Z or the Tozai underground line suspended because of flooding. A level 5 alert, the highest on Japan's disasters warning scale, has been issued for more. Let me read that again. A level 5 alert, the highest on Japan's disaster warning scale, has been issued for more than 500,000 people in Kagoshima, Miyazaki, Oita, Kumamoto. That's that Japanese shit, man. All right. So, so Yeah, that's that Ammonite stuff right there, boy. And Yamaguchi area, a total of around 9 million people have been ordered to evacuate parts of the Yushu Shikoku and the Chongongu region after level 4 alert. So man, this has got to be a big thing for 9 million people to be evacuated, you know. So yeah, man, the Heavenly Father's getting down on the masses on the face of the earth, and there's more things to come. There's definitely more to come in the future. Like, we just getting started right now in these days and times, because the Heavenly Father is getting ready to unleash the real terror, and all of that is going to encompass Jacob's trouble, if you know what I'm saying. All right, that's going to be the real terror, and also the time of the temptation that the prophets are going to have to undergo and overcome. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just want to make this short because I had to finish the part of the video, because one of my relatives just came in, so I just wanted to just stop it from there. So this is the end of part 2. So with that, I say shalom.